Motorized Suitcase showed up and wanted to do a little unboxing. It's about very looky there, fancy. So we'll go ahead and start diving in. Okay, so we have an envelope. Don't know what it is. Let's find out what it is. All right, so what is this thing? It is difficult to open. Okay, it's a foamy thing. Foam insert that goes somewhere. Okay, and here's our user manual. And looks like it should have charger, power bank, instruction manual. No foamy thing. Lots of, looks like everything's in English.
That might be a pillow for your butt.
Could be. Unfolding. Riding, okay, cool. Okay, that's it. Nice and easy, simple one. Put this to the side and we will continue with unboxing. Oh, the suitcase is next. Oh. Here it is. It is pretty hefty. It is pretty hefty. So, we'll have to see what we can do to get that. Let's see then what else we got. We have, looks like our adapter and the battery. All right, adapter, and you can see the specs on the adapter. 240, 1.5 amps. So 42 volt, 1.5 amp, 63 watt. And it looks like, here's the LED indicator when we plug it in. And fancy plug. It's one of the standard 8 plugs. And ooh, that's a battery. So here's our little power bank. You can see it's my hand. It's a pretty thick power bank. Alrighty then. Looks like here's the ports. Here's if you wanted to charge something like your phone, and this is the main port where you charge it and where it hooks into the suitcase. Pretty sure you can see this. You lift this puppy up, and the power bank just slips down like that. And you turn it on. Oh, it's automatically doing it. That's fancy. So unload and let's see. Aha! So the switch moves it in and out. That's pretty cool. And this. Move some stuff around. Let's see if it works. Wow. So let's take a look on the inside. So this we found out is like a cushion. We were assuming that it's a cushion. So let's see, where's the zipper? That just kind of opens this way. Has a little pocket here. Little Velcro strap. Let's see. Okay, so there's that. That looks like
Laptop or?
Yeah, probably fit a 13-inch, not a 15-inch. That's my guess. There's some cool little buckles if you wanted to make it so not open all the way. And then as far as the space in here, it's not a ton of space to be honest. It's okay though. And there is a little liner that has a zipper. If I could find the zipper. But there it is. Cannot find the zipper. Well, I can discover that later, but that's what the inside is. The only other thing I can see it's worth reporting on here. The zipper got a little stuck. There we go. That puppy in. So it doesn't sit terribly level. Notice that it kind of moves around a bit, which I guess is okay. Looks like right here, there's the special TSA lock, and then there's a combination that you can set. And there's a port right here if you wanted to plug something in to get charged. There's a nice little cover for that. But other than that, I mean, it looks like this is the whole thing. This is one of the coolest things I have ever participated in. And away we go. So there you go, there's your review. 2 thumbs up. So the app is called Airwheel Robot, and you click on the bottom, the intelligent writing box, and then the little search icon magnifying glass. And then you choose the suitcase. It should just be close by. This was like crazy easy to set up. See all your cute little stats there about your battery and everything. You can choose a color, and then there's different lighting effects like dynamic or just breathe or it just stays or anything like that. If you push this button, your suitcase beeps at you, so if you're trying to find it, this rate limiting is low, middle, and high is how fast it goes. So low gear will mean it will go slower, middle is medium, high it actually goes pretty dang quick. This is loss prevention in case it wanders away from you or gets stolen, it would alert you. And then this is the motion thing. This part's pretty cool. So with this remote control part, you actually can move that center circle up or forward or backward, and you can control the suitcase from your phone. The cruise control part is really cool. So ideally you'd be sitting on the suitcase and you would use this, and you can do minus or plus if you want to go faster, and then you just tap forward and it just keeps you going. You don't have to press the handle down. Super cool stuff. Just wanted to give a little tutorial of how the remote control works for this. So let's move a little forward with the app. I can move it backwards. It's pretty cool. And cruise control is, so I'll knock this number down quite a bit. You can see here. Also how this go nice and just slow. And do forward. Maybe it's, there we go. And it just keeps going all on its own. And I'll hit stop. And it stops. Pretty cool, right?